This is a large countertop convention toaster oven. The dimensions are 20.22 inches wide, 13.34 inches high, and 17.09 inches from front to back. It weighs 33.63 pounds. This oven is called a 10-in-1 because there are 10 cooking functions on this oven. Number 1. Whole roast. Roast a large 5-pound chicken and sides for a complete meal, or cook a 12-pound turkey on its own. Whole roast will give you rotisserie-style results in less time. In the Kickstarter recipe booklet that comes with this oven, there's a recipe for maple rosemary chicken with fall squash for the whole roast function. Number 2. Air roast. For a crispy outside and juicy inside, or for full-size sheet pan meals and roasted veggies. In the Kickstarter recipe booklet, there's a recipe for Hasselback loaded potatoes for the air roast function. Number 3. Air fry. Foods that would traditionally be fried, such as chicken wings, French fries, frozen or hand-cut, chicken nuggets, and breaded foods. In the Kickstarter recipe booklet, there is a recipe for cilantro lime chicken wings for the air fry function. Number 4. Bake. Evenly bake everything from your favorite cookies to cakes. Also great for cooking bacon. In the Kickstarter recipe booklet, there's a recipe for red velvet cookies for the bake function. Number 5. Dehydrate. Dehydrate fruits, vegetables, meats, poultry, and fish. In the Kickstarter recipe booklet, there's a dehydrate chart that gives the preparation, temperature, and dehydrate time for various fruits, vegetables, meats, poultry, and fish. Number 6. Broil. The broil function uses a top and bottom heat source to evenly broil meats, fish, and brown the tops of casseroles. Also great for steaks and nachos. Number 7. Toast. Toast up to 9 slices of bread to your desired level of darkness. Quick and even browning on both sides. Also great for English muffins and frozen waffles. Number 8. Bagel. Perfectly toast up to 9 bagel halves when they're placed cut side up on the wire rack. Fast heating with a crunchy outside. Also great for artisan breads. Number 9. Pizza. Cook frozen or homemade pizzas evenly. You can cook 2 12-inch pizzas at the same time. Number 10. Reheat. Heat leftovers without overcooking. Remember, if you get any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in buying this, please use the Amazon links below. What do you get in the box? The oven itself, a removable crumb tray, 2 wire racks, 2 sheet pans, a roast tray, an air fry basket, owner's manual, and a Kickstarter recipe booklet. The owner's manual is very good and gives specific instructions on how to cook with each of the 10 cooking functions. The control panel display and operating buttons. The power button to turn on and off the oven. The time display shows the cook time. The time will count down when the cooking is in process. Preheat. This preheat flashes when the oven is preheating. If the oven is already up to the temperature from using a previous cooking function, the oven will skip preheating. Slices. Slices illuminates when using the toast or bagel function to remind you to designate the number of slices you are going to toast. You set the number of slices here. I'll explain when I get to that setting. The temperature display shows the cooking temperature. Rack level. There are 4 different rack levels in the oven. Depending on the cooking function you choose, the illuminated rack levels will indicate where the sheet pan or wire rack should be placed in the oven. The 2 level button. For cooking functions that allow you to cook on 2 different levels, press this button to select 2 level cooking and the rack level indicator will update. The function plus minus buttons. This is where you cycle through the cooking functions and choose one of the cooking functions. The time/slices plus and minus buttons. To select a cook time, press the time plus minus buttons. When using the toast or bagel function, these buttons will adjust the number of toast slices or bagel halves instead of the time. The temp/shade plus and minus buttons. To adjust the temperature, press the temp plus and minus buttons. When using the toast or bagel function, these buttons will adjust the shade level, 1 for the lightest and 7 to darkest. Note, the cook time and temperature may be adjusted at any time during the cooking cycle. The Start-Stop button. Press to start or stop cooking. Shade will illuminate when using the toast or bagel function. The Oven Light button. Press to turn the oven's interior light on and off. Note, the interior light will automatically turn on when 1 minute of cook time remains and when the door is open during cooking. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this countertop oven.